in the state.
The sitting MLA of Mawshynrut, who was the NPP candidate for 34 Mawshynrut Constituency, Mawshynrut today filed his nomination paper and taking an oath in front of the returning officer of Mawshynrut Constituency, H.K. Thaba. Jigar was accompanied by his wife, children and his strong party leaders and followers during the day of filing the nomination paper. Speaking with a media person, Jigar said that if he were re-elected in this Legislative Assembly election, his goal was for the upliftment of the education sector in Mawshynrut, road infrastructures and other issues.
Kadai education he bat kabar kadai ka surok kasuking midang sadin aduga tata wat ngala persang akan ka sansnem atar ngimpat yoi adu